Most people think when a company marks your complaint resolved, the problem is over. It isn't. Sometimes all that's been resolved is the ticket. Here's what's actually happening and exactly what to do. You finally hear back from customer service. You open the email expecting good news. Maybe you're expecting a refund, a replacement, or a repair appointment, or confirmation that your account has finally been corrected. Instead, you see one word, resolved, or maybe case closed, but your refund isn't there. The replacement hasn't shipped. The technician never arrived. Nothing actually changed. The ticket was closed, but the resolution never happened. And now you're wondering whether you have to start the entire complaint process over again. In many cases, you don't. A closed complaint doesn't automatically mean your issue is resolved. It means the case was closed. That can happen because someone believed the work was finished. The system may have automatically closed the ticket after a certain amount of time, or the case was closed before anyone verified that the promised resolution had actually been completed. The status of that ticket and the status of your problem aren't always the same thing. Here's exactly what to do. Don't reopen the whole story. Reopen the missing outcome. Say, please reopen this case. The ticket was closed, but the requested resolution was not completed. Then identify the one thing that's missing. For example, the refund hasn't been processed, or the replacement hasn't been shipped, or the technician never arrived, or even the repair hasn't been completed. Notice what changed. You're no longer asking someone to reread weeks of notes or relive the entire history. You're directing their attention to one unfinished action. That makes it easier for the next representative to verify what's outstanding. Reopen the case and complete the work that should have happened in the first place. A closed ticket isn't proof your problem was solved. It's only proof the ticket was closed. Your goal is a resolution, not a closed ticket. Bring the conversation back to the one outcome that still hasn't happened. That's the human factor. And now you know what's actually happening and exactly what to do about it.